Hello dear students, today in this session we will discuss some objective types questions. So first of all, see very short answer questions. Six questions I have written here. So question number 1, write the domain of the relation this on set Z. So we know domain of any relation is set of first component of R. So write down here what is the domain of this relation. So domain of this relation, that means a set of first component of R. Here value of A, what we can put here, A, suppose G 0 5, 0 minus 5, 3 4, minus 3 4, 4 minus 3, and this way we can put the all possible value of A. So domain of this relation will be 0 plus minus 3 plus minus 4 and plus minus 5, set of first components. Now come to next question, question number 2. Here relation is given x square plus y square is less than equal to 4 and xy belongs to set of integers. Here also you can consider what are the possible values of x. So domain is equal to 0. You can put where 0, then 1, 0, 2. So 0 is the first member of domain, and 1 also you can put 1, 0. So 1 is also there. If 1 is there, then minus 1 will also satisfy. If 2, then minus 2. I think there is no other integer which satisfy this inequalities except this. So this is your domain. Now third question, write the identity relation on set A. Identity relation, we know on set A is denoted by IA. So every element must be associated to itself, or every element must be related to itself only. So no extra element, only this type of elements will be there, AA, BB and CC. So identity relation on any set A is unique. You cannot change this relation. You cannot add some extra element, or you cannot remove any element. So this is your identity element. Now question number 4, write the smallest reflexive relation on the set X. So smallest reflexive relation on X is equal to, in ordered pair, here also every element must be related to itself. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. In reflexive, some extra element may come, but here it is given smallest reflexive relation. So this is the smallest reflexive relation, and this is identity relation also. You can say identity relation is the smallest reflexive relation. Question number 5, xy such that x plus 2y is equal to 8. So value of x will satisfy this linear equation on set n. Here n is the set of natural number. So we have to find range of this relation. Range, you know, value of y or second component. So here relation is x plus 2y equal to 8. This implies you can change this y in terms of x. then y equal to 8 minus x by 2. Now you put value of x from natural number, you will get the different value of y. So your range will be, range is equal to, if you put x equal to 1, then 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is not natural, so we reject this. Next number 2, then 6, 3. So first number is 3. After that, if you put 4, then 4 divided by 2, it is 2. Then 6, 2 divided by 2, 1. So this is the member of range of this relation. Now question number 6, if A is set whose elements are 3, 5, 7 and B is another set having elements 2, 6, 10 and R be a relation from A to B, R is defined as xy such that x and y are relatively prime. One more thing I have added here, write R and R inverse. So first of all, you write down R relatively prime. So there should be no common element except 1. So 3, 2 are relatively prime. 3, 2 will be member. 3, 6 are not relatively prime because 3 is common. So 3, 10 is your required relation. 3, 10. Then 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 6, 5, 6 and 5, 10. No relatively prime. 7, 2, 7, 6, 7, 2, 7, 6 and 17. If you observe here, every pair has no common element in their first and second components. So these are the member of relation defined as this. Now we have to write R inverse. R inverse, you know, if AB belongs to R, then BA belongs to R inverse. So R inverse, simply you write the element of R changing its order of the numbers. So R inverse is equal to 3 is related to 2. Now in R inverse 2 is related to 3. So accordingly you change 3, 2, 3, 10, 3, 2, 5, 6, 5, 2, 7, 2, 7, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7 and 10, 7. Now come to next question, question number 7. Here R is a relation, member is xy such that x square minus y square modulus of whole is less than 1. On set this, write R as a ordered pairs. So we have to take value of x and y both from A. So R in ordered pair, R in ordered pair, 1, this value you know is greater than equal to 0. So it should be less than 1. So 1 is related to 1. If you put x equal to 1, y equal to 1. 1 minus 1, 0, 0 is less than 1. So 1 is related to 1. Similarly, every element of set A is related to itself because value will be 0 which is less than 1. So 2 is related to 2, and 3 is related to 3, 4 is related to 4, and 5 is related to 5. I think there is no other element related to any other element. So this is identity and reflexive relation also. Now question number 8. If A is a set having element 2, 3, 4, B is another set having elements 1, 3, 7, and R is a relation whose element is xy such that x belongs to A, y belongs to B, and x is less than y, is a relation from set A to B. We have to write here R and R inverse. If you consider this relation, y is greater than x, so second component should be greater than first component. One is not the image of any of these three elements, but 3 is the image of 2. So you can write 2 comma 3. Next 7 is greater than every element of set A. So 7 is the image of each element. So 2, 7, and 3, 7, 4, 7. This is your R, and R inverse, just you change its order. 2, 3 will be in 3, 2, and 7, 2, 7, 3, and 7, 4. Now come to question number 9. If A is a set having element 3, 5, 7, B 2, 4, 9, and R is a relation given by is less than, write R in ordered pair. Is less than means you can put here A or B, A and B. A is less than B. So first component should be less than second component. Again we have to write R. Second component should be greater. 2 is not greater than any of these 3. So 4 is greater than 3. So 3, 4, and 9 is greater than each of these 3. So 3, 9, and 5, 9, and 7, 9. 8 and 9 are almost same, but it is different in language. So you have to understand this language also. Relations are given in different form, so that you must know. Now question number 10. A is a set having element 2, 3, 4, 5. B is another set of elements 1, 3, 4. A relation R from A to B is given by A is related to B if and only if A is a divisor of B. Again we have to write R in ordered pair. A is a divisor of B, or you can say A divides B. So R in ordered pair, 2 should divide the second component. Second component 2 doesn't divide 1, 2 doesn't divide 3, so 2 divides only 4. So 2, 4, and 3, 3, because 3 divides 3, and 4 divides 4, so 4, 4. I think no other element which divide the any element of second set. So this is your answer.